Hello everyone. As I reflect on the past year, I realize that the most special part isn't about numbers, views, or subscriptions. It's about the love and support you've all given me. Every like, every share, and even the smallest comment has been a precious piece that completes the story of our channel. Your sincere feedback, and even constructive criticism at times, hasn't just helped me improve, it has made me grow. You're not just viewers, you're companions, and a tremendous source of inspiration that keeps me going, even in challenging moments. I know I'm not perfect, and I may not have satisfied everyone just yet, but I always remind myself, this journey is far from over. There's so much more I want to create and share with you. As we celebrate Christmas, I want to extend my deepest gratitude and warmest wishes for a holiday season filled with peace, joy, and love. At the same time, I want to welcome the arrival of a brand new year, 2025, with all of you. May this year bring you endless happiness, abundant success, and unforgettable moments with your loved ones. Let's continue this journey together, and Tess. In the year ahead, I promise to work even harder to bring you better, more meaningful content. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2025. Have you ever looked at your outdoor space and felt like something is missing? You're not alone. Many of us dream of a yard that's not just functional but also breathtakingly beautiful. An oasis where modern design meets nature's tranquility. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through stunning modern landscaping ideas that can completely transform your space. From sleek minimalist layouts to innovative plant arrangements, we'll show you how to create an outdoor area that feels like a personal paradise. But here's the question. What's the one element that can instantly elevate your garden's look? Stay tuned, because we'll reveal it as we guide you through practical tips and creative designs you can implement today. Whether you're planning a major overhaul or looking for small ways to refresh your yard, this video is packed with inspiration tailored just for you. Don't just imagine your dream garden, start building it. Watch now and unlock the potential of your outdoor space. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more design ideas.